kids across the street are playing a Jamaican version of Rhythm Is Gonna Get You. Really loud. Don't know why, but for some reason it's not really scaring the birds away. There's female cardinal, or sparrows, doves. I really can't believe that they aren't being frightened. Even the, whoa! That make me mad too. Yeah. The Hummers are just started a fight. Really? Yeah. I can't get over it. The kids actually like this. But it's better than most of the stuff they play, so I guess I shouldn't complain. This is the kids across the street playing Jamaican versions of unusual songs. Really loud. So that's the, I don't think I have to pay for, for copyright infringement, since this is really background noise. Woo! Two Hummers just flew around my head. Don't blame me for the background music, dudes. It's the neighbor kids.